today I'll be opening the new little plush house that we got. Okay, let's start opening. Okay, some scissors will probably be helpful, but I don't have any of those, so bear with me. And this was a gift from my parents, so yeah, they let me open it early for Christmas. There we go, I did it. It does go with the accessories! Yay! I thought they were just putting in there as props. This is off eBay. Okay, and here are them. There are 9 in total. So let's put in. Oh, it's so small. Okay, this one. I really like this one. There's a lot. Actually, this is my favorite, so I'm like, see a little bit of the package. So I don't say no for last. I love that one most. Best for last. I think it looks just as good as the person as the girl in the picture. Okay. Oh wow, I really love this one. Okay, now this nice cute little package with the accessories that I didn't even know came with it. Like I really just thought they were just props to make the pets look better. But I think the accessories were a really great touch. Oh, there's so many. Okay, so I'll start by showing the accessories first. There are 2 computers. Oh, they're so small. They look like someone handmade them. And then there are a bunch of collars. Okay, I put everything into sections. These are all the collar type things. There are 2 jackets, and they're super little and cute. And then there's 2 bows for the pets. And then there's some food and drinks. There's a Starbucks drink that is really cute. I don't know how they made that. There's this food bowl and this little gingerbread cookie. Because it is getting close to Christmas. So they also have this Christmas bow. So yeah, okay. Let's put them on all of the pets. Okay, I have everyone all set up in their little outfits and with their accessories. And they all just look so cute. And if I had to pick one that's my favorite, I think it would be a tie between these 2. These are my absolute favorite out of the bunch that there are, and I love all of them. They're all so cute, and they're all collies, as I already told you, I think, at the beginning of the video. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching this video. Bye.